We have team coverage tonight, and it continues with DHEC saying they are seeing an increase in hospitalizations and COVID-19 cases across South Carolina. With the holiday season in full swing, Christmas around the corner, doctors say it could be the most dangerous time of the year for the virus.
Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer talked to a pulmonary specialist at ANMed Health in Anderson today and has more on what health officials are saying about the rise in cases.
Holiday time means travel time for many right here in South Carolina and across the nation. Just before Thanksgiving, health officials warned about a rise in COVID cases, and the numbers from DHEC prove that they are right. Doctors are saying they're expecting more cases to rise with Christmas just around the corner.
I think it's important that we minimize travel during the holiday season. And if you are going to travel, then you have to take certain precautions.
Dr. Malik from ANMed Health in Anderson says because people travel more at holiday time and colder weather brings more people indoors in closed spaces, the potential for a rise in cases was something health officials expected.
The most important thing is to prevent the transmission of the disease from our, family members, friends, people in the community. We have to protect each other.
Health officials say they know people are tired of hearing the recommendations and warnings, but as long as COVID-19 continues to spread, they will continue to warn everyone of how easily the virus can be shared.
This disease can infect people without symptoms, and those actually are the biggest risk for spreading the disease because they don't know whether they have the virus, but they can spread certainly to their loved ones.
Dr. Malik says precautions must continue to be taken, washing hands regularly, wearing a mask, and keeping that social distance.
We have to assume that at this point that potentially anyone can spread the virus to any other person, and we have to take all the precautions that are going to be necessary to minimize that chance.
Dr. Malik says if you insist on traveling, be sure to get tested 1 to 3 days before you leave. Now, if you need a list of those testing sites, we've got it in our free Fox Carolina News app in our As Seen On section. Reporting in Anderson, I'm Carrie Weimer, Fox Carolina News.